I got Jim here taking up my Force RC P-51. He's wanting to buy one, so he's going to fly this one and see how he likes it. This will give him a chance to wreck mine, that way he won't have to wreck his when he gets it. And the gear switch is the same place as where yours is, A button. Yeah, I told you, especially on a calm day like this, man, it's just really flies great.
Oh yeah, this is really nice, man. No, I mean it. That's about 60% right there.
Yeah. Yeah, this is just on a 3S. I didn't put the 4S in it.
I didn't want a 4S, yeah. This is great, yeah. She's got plenty of power, doesn't she?
It does okay on 3S, but I'm telling you, when you put the 4S in it, you'll be spoiled. Well, the 3S you'll think is slow until you fly 3 or 4 packs off of it.
Yeah, how to put it. I just think go a little slow.
Not me. When I'm flying a maneuverable plane like that, I gotta have a sort of like borrowing when you was a kid borrowing a car, your parents' station wagon. You got to see how fast it'll go.
Oh yeah, she does fine, doesn't she?
Yeah, I've been saying on a few videos it's 109. It's actually 149, but you get a $40 receiver with it. So in essence, the plane is 109.
Yeah.
And when you build it, it is a little bit of a pain. I couldn't imagine not using that 620 receiver, the antenna-less one, because it just fits right into a cubby hole that's cut out in the wing. And if you use the conventional, go ahead. If you use the conventional receiver, it's probably going to be a little tougher with the antenna wires, getting them routed around. But on the standard 620, it works out really good. It just shoves right in there.
Okay, coming back around the lane.
Alright, we got fire trucks and ambulances standing by.
You're going to need them. And a wrecker for haulage.
I got a garbage bag for that part.
Oh, great. Too high. I don't like that.
Yeah, this one actually, it's so light, it does float, so.
Yeah. Well, for me, I just didn't like the spot I was in.
Yeah. No, some of them will sink fast, but this one here, if you're too high, you have to force it down.
I'm better, I think. What do you think?
Nah, you got the sticks. I ain't gonna sit here like a church mouse and keep my mouth shut. That way I can laugh at you when things don't go well. Look at you, like you've been flying it for a long time.
You don't hold that tail down.
Yeah, if you let go of that elevator even for a split second, she noses over.
No, that's good.
But I tell you, putting that throw rate on the elevator to 125%, that really helps it keep the nose up. You can taxi it back with no problems now. Before I did that, if you hit a bump when you're taxiing, it would dump the nose over. But now with the 125, it keeps the tail planted and the nose up pretty good.
My hands are about to
Yeah, I bet. 32 degrees, 35 actually, it warmed up.
No, hey.
And for 109 bucks for the plane, you can't beat that, Jim.
Well, that's not too much more than I'd pay for a used one, you know?
Yeah, well, you're right. I usually buy used ones for $100, airplanes. No, all right, Force RC P-51. Jim was flying. What do you think?
Hey, I'll pick one up today.
All right.